thing not normal, you know, bro.
Parts over here, we have seat right there, some parts in the back too. We have some little knickknacks in our back, fender front. We have bracket for the handlebar, because the bracket will come with it, can't work. You see me? Damper rubber, what else? This has the license disc and some rubber for going in park and everything there. I don't know, so I sip a little tea at the same time. I don't know, the belly no feels 100. So I could go over this side. Put the camera right here, so. Boom. So the first thing I did now, rubber them I put on.
Yeah, bring it up. Look on the rubber one side.
Rubber them, yeah?
And the store is rubber.
So we have a bad clock. Yeah.
Screw can put up the keys with like a little black screw or pine screw.
Like drywall screw?
No man. Some little black shot. Eh? Brother? You think not normal, you know, bro? Jesus, man.
What's he do? Yo, you know what my yacht? Oh, come on. You're gonna say, yo, me a bonus. My post a big clock for it. And people them say, what? Want that clock? Hey, how much feet is a 12.5? Nobody now respond.
The post is probably TikTok, man.
Alright people, so coolie gone on the road. I try find something for match up for the clock for put on the new clock. The new clock have one little, the connection kinda different. So in the meantime I go and take off the fender bracket and put it on the new one. So this is a 8 and a screwdriver. Simple. So we have the new fender here and the fender bracket. So it's as easy as this. Just put it in, line up the hole them, and screw back down everything.
Yeah, okay, man. It's no feet here. Scissors, tape, or knife.
Depending on how much the bill is.
500,000. Real money, no boy.
Let's go up there and bust up the sound. Let my nigga out.
The clock. I miss you saying I plug up. I say shit.
Me
I watch the connection still, you know, when me connect them up, you know.
Me have a feeling there that I go on. So while the gas was drained.
No, you don't know say they are selling.
Hey, boy! Because I didn't say now, they don't have to now.
You're not going to get out everything out of that.
Come, boy.
You name that record.
Pull it!
Anna me?
The camera there so long on that record.
I want to know.
Come there, look for your light so long enough.
Yo, push down the seat. Like, just.
No.
Tough.
Yes, I.
Brother, I see something you want to brother.
I know seat, man. I saw no seat.
Man saying alright.
See the sexy. And a big body girl from the back, you know.
You think you know.
So how are this one? Charge one could charge a place?
Yes, I.
What? That's your bossy man.
Alex have one.
Alex have one? Bossy man.
You know shit.
Is it part of the bike?
I like that blending. So, yeah man, I like it.
Alex, I
Huh? Huh? Make just a so you talk boy, no? Man, something right here, man.
So I go.
Something right here, man.
I mix breed. You want some mix breed?
How you mix with?
The bike and a normal.
Pitbull mix with Rottweiler?
Yeah.
First man. Hold up. I'm on the water.
And this part don't I go ahead and hold on a back there.
Here no. What?
Oh, you can't see it. I know what? You got it. The other one. Where is it? Another one?
Oh, yeah, pull. I'm tired, you know.
Bomba cool.
This no look right.
and you wire them up at the coolie, we should have to start the bike first, you know.
I don't care. Battery night, though. That's all like the battery night,
Take off all of the thing them off of the handlebar, put them on the side. And pull this. You have to know them not in a youth. Know them not in a youth.
Yo, it's the same 10 bolt them.
Yeah, use them back.
Same 10 bolt them come off a young. Where you ice in there?
Alright, so with everything in our life there is problems, and we have two problems. One with the clock, where we don't even want to talk about right now, and then one with the razors for the handlebar. So this can go down in this, like so. And we don't have no other bolt. The bolt them might come with, which are these. They are too big, they can't fit in here. So the only bolt them can fit are them here. So like this. But this can't go through this, so I'm going to go try to use one file and try file off the edge, which are going to take a while. Right now I'm kind of just tired and frustrated. And then I find some other bolt where I wonder if this can work. Maybe this can work. So yeah, in the meantime, the man in there, hope this will work on bike. One of them the outside I get a work on bike.
Left now, go feet on go wash the bike. Nah, come back, you know. Feet on now, left going now. Nah, come back, you know. Man.
That one almost will work.
Bike, nah, come back, you know. Don't work on the bike, you know. No, man, you just have to work on the bike, you know.
I like this. Eh?
Yes, youth. One bolt gone in. 3 more to go.
What?
I like this.
One bolt.
I
No, that's not my bike, sir. Flush. You could try the other 3 and now.
You don't know at all for one. You know, buy the modern bike tire again. Look there.
One thing I go on here do. I go on here buy some target bowl.
Replace them there with.
Alright, that's rubbish this?
Yeah.
You work?
Can't put no more Panda because I want to shot. But the wall.
But them this alright.
Yeah, put on the angle and catch it.
Come pressure now blows today now. Pressure now blows.
Tired, man, I'm tired. That's afraid.
Nah, you're not man.
Cool, you know, so that food there. One food I buy Friday for lunch. And when me done eat and go
Friday, so how you want this? You know if you set it, you know?
Yeah man, just temporarily put it down.
Oh, and you will.
Yeah,
Them I go, them right?
Over, bro. Spin it round. Spin it round.
Like you like Spider-Man. Why you want the man to have Spider-Man for the bike on it?
What you number them? When you ask you though.
Which number?
Shine it. Put in the water the rest of the boat, man. And then touch him over.
I brown them yesterday.
So one man come and go, he's smart. Man smart, bro. Come and go.
You know, I'm just holding it. Come on, man. Get back, go shop.
Hold on. Hold on. Watch out. See all the man never race. If they ever tell you when they go to 56 up here, I could come and burn them one.
You feel that joke? Man, take it easy, dog. One outside, you know? Man, we don't work here now. What time? 8:42 p.m. Can you see that?
Hey, yo, teaser. Turn that up, boy.
So that's just for now. Alright, when it's morning light, we'll go now a better preview of the bike, but we're not quite done setup as yet because indicator right there, I haven't gotten the indicator that I wanted, so those are yet to be changed. You see me? You guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video that we did today, setting up by the bike, making it look all pretty. As I mentioned, I'm still not yet finished. We're looking out for a new muffler. We're looking out for, you know, some nice little cosmetic things. You know, some nice little cosmetic things to make it look good. As you remember, I have some lights we may not install yet. Those are some fog lights. Them they're not installed as yet. My horn not installed yet, which is, you know, my loud horn. Be things, guys. So just stay tuned. Enough more improvement. Just go and pray for safety out there on the road, so that we can get there to rebuilding this bike. You know, enough love and respect. Drop on the comments down below. You see me? Let me know if everything active, if you don't like how the machine look and everything. You see it? Enough love, blessings.